Hey everybody, the Big W here down in Old Town Gresham, Oregon for the Wednesday night car show that they have, and the local people here. It's one of the first ones that they had of the year. It's a little overcast tonight, but we're going to take a quick look. There's only a few cars here, but let's take a lookie. It's a nice 2000 Prowler, modern day roadster if you will. Galaxy 500 convertible, Mustang, a Gremlin down there, nice Corvette. Oh man, nice Mercury, nice little shoebox there. I'm liking that. Yeah, these are just local neighborhood people supporting veterans and stuff. This group is called the Loose Ends. There's one of their signs. Nice little MG. Like that Nova a lot. Another nice Mustang there. That's a beaut. Yeah, take a look at this Royal. Three carb setup. Hemi motor in there. Nice update rolling pleat in there. That looks great. Love that color scheme too. Look at this. This is a Boss Hog tricycle. It's a small block Chevy in there. Now that's some power.
Sounds like fun. I hope you have a safe trip. All right.
That looks great.
Right on.
Well, not much of a crowd, and everybody there is just having a good time and super friendly people. I just love going down there. It's always worth the time and effort. Plus, dollar ice cream cone night across the street. I mean, you can't beat that with a stick. So I appreciate you guys coming by, and all of you that subscribe and those that you comment. Again, you know how much I like the comments. I appreciate you coming by, though. It's lots of fun. We get out there and do what we got to do to enjoy ourselves. You guys have a great day today. This is a Big W. We will catch you later.